Hi. Obviously, everybody has their own cure for the hiccups, and it may or may not work, but my cure is 100% effective as long as it is done 100% precisely. And it is not hard, and it is done in less than 30 seconds. Your ears, nose, and throat are all connected together. What you need to do, this is if you're doing it by yourself. Sometimes it helps if you have a partner. But if you're doing it by yourself, you need to plug your ears with your pointer fingers completely until there's no room for anything to get through. Completely plug them. You take your pinkies and you plug your nose. I know it looks crazy, but I swear to God it works and it never fails. You plug it all the way as tight as it goes. Your two thumbs here are going to go on each side of your esophagus. For those of you that don't know, that is the tube that you swallow through. So, completely plugged ears, completely plugged nose, completely plugged throat. When you put your thumbs on your throat, you're going to push your esophagus in, not to the point of pain, but to the point where if you were to swallow, you would feel a lump in your throat. So, ears, nose, throat, pressing in on your throat. You then swallow twice without taking a breath in between. And they're gone. If you have a buddy, I have a choke buddy, what I call her. I'll plug my ears and my nose, and she'll hold my throat for me. Just put one hand around the esophagus, apply strong pressure, but not extremely hard. Two swallows, no breath in between. Your hiccups will be gone.